The Pranjal Bhumij and others, a lot of players, especially in that position, have come through and made their way to the top.
Yes, of course, Pranjal Bhumij is here. And he's having a bit of dash and the spark for the Bodoland FC. Trying to find a little way, but the Bodoland, it seems it has gone with the 4-2-3-1 formation. And again, somebody has to play the role of that number 10. Could be the Cameroonian junior.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a difficult task for the Karbi coach, especially in the last game, having gone down. For last, be keeping it 11v11 as long as possible. You get a truer test of how his side have fared in this tournament.
Acceleration on the left channel. Start here. Came off in the last game.